Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to insert horizontal lines using characters. You can insert horizontal lines using various characters or symbols depending on your preferences and the context in which you work in. Here are few common ways to create horizontal lines using characters. First one, hyphens. You can create a horizontal line using hyphens like this. Hyphens 3 times and hit enter. As you can see, we have a line here. Second one, underscores. Underscores can also be used to create horizontal line. Tap 3 times and hit enter. As you can see. Third one, equal sign. Tap 3 times equal sign, then hit enter. As you can see. 4, asterisk. Asterisk can be used to create a decorative horizontal line. So tap asterisk 3 times and hit enter. Another one, three times, then hit enter. As you can see. So to delete this, double click here, then delete. Double click, delete. Delete. Thank you for watching.